It's typically this demographic from 30 to kind of 50, 60 plus that typically are your ideal customers in the cleaning industry, because it's at that age in your very late 20s, early 30s onwards, where typically maybe you've got married, maybe at this point you've had a kid, maybe at this point like you've got your own home, maybe you've got a pet. And so it's normally this age range that are going to be like your ideal customer, that are going to have the budget to hire a company like yours and have the need as well to hire a company like yours. And as we can see here, when it comes to TikTok, the ideal demographic for a cleaning customer is actually the lowest engaged age range on TikTok. So my thoughts are, if you were to put like a carpet cleaning ad on TikTok, you're probably going to get in front of, a lot of 10 to 20 year olds, but a very small amount of 30, 40 year olds, As it stands right now, might not be right this second the best platform for the cleaning industry.